Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video and another month, April 2021. So I cannot believe 3 months have already passed by and we are in April right now. Also 1 year anniversary just happened of the COVID lockdown that happened last year, and sadly it is a second wave that's going on right now. There have been a lot of new cases every day and we've heard of a possible lockdown. Well, I hope that doesn't happen. But for now, I'm really thankful and blessed and grateful that we all are safe. We all are safe, like me and my family, and I hope you guys are doing well as well, you and your family. And we're really looking forward to taking the vaccination. But I think in spite of the vaccination, you will still have to take care. So I think this is going to be, the entire 2021 is again going to be the same thing. But I think I'm really positive and I'm thinking better things are coming ahead. Other than staying positive, हमारे पास और क्या उपाय है, right? So yeah, I just wanted to mention this before I start by today's video, which is going to be a collective haul video. All the products have been purchased by me at different points of time, either online or offline, and some of them have been gifted to me. So if this video interests you, please keep on watching. Before you do that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, to show your support. So yeah, let's get started now. Okay friends, so I'm going to start by showing all the products one by one. I do have a couple of them. I'm going to start with skincare, and the first thing I got is this Ashwin's Rose Water Gulab Gel. So this is how it looks like. I'm not sure if you guys are well versed with this brand, but in Bombay you will easily find it at any chemist shop. और मैं तो कहती हूँ सबसे बढ़िया रोज़ वाटर है. I always buy Dabur, and most of us buy Dabur or any other brand, but this is I tell you, this is the cheapest and it's of really good quality. Now the price of this is just 16 rupees, and you get what? I think you get 100 ml, which is like really sasta. So if you haven't tried this rose water, please try it. Now this bottle is empty because I've used it up. I've also used this while cooking Christmas sweets, so you can use it for cooking as well. So it works best right now during the summers as a toner. You can spray it on your face. I do that every night, and whenever I feel hot, I just spray rose water on my face, and it really helps me out. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase, and this was the first product. Alright friends, moving on, the next thing I got is a Johnson's baby oil, and this is priced at rupees 55. And how much ml do you get? You get 50 ml. I basically use this on my face because I feel this works really well for me as a facial oil. So I just take 2 to 3 drops and I apply all over my face before I sleep, and it works really well for me. There are many types of oils in the market. It's totally up to you what you guys want to try out, but I wanted to give this a try. What can go wrong, right? You would end up looking like a baby, I guess. I'm just kidding, but yeah, this really works well for me. So I'm really happy with this purchase, and I've been using it a lot, especially before I do my makeup, because my skin is kind of weird. It's kind of dry, also it's oily at some places, and this really works well for me as a lightweight oil. So yeah, that was the next purchase. The next thing I got is the Fog Master Fresh Breeze Talc, and yeah, this is how it looks like. तो अभी समर्स आ चुके हैं, and पसीने की बदबू is a big issue for me especially. I always try and use a roll-on under my armpits. So far I haven't got any, so I thought why not try a talcum powder. Now there is a lot of debate on this talcum powder use करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. I leave it up to you. For me powder is a must because I sweat a lot. Also between my thighs, और rubbing होता है तो उसमें भी वो help करता है. So I really like this one. I told my father to get me, and he got me this one, and the smell is really amazing. So you might think this is for men. Well, I don't believe that. If I like something irrespective of a male or a female product, I try it. So this is the Fog Master Fresh Breeze Fragrance Body Talc, and it is priced at rupees 125, and you get 120 gram of product. Really good for the price, and it does a good job of making your armpit smell a little better. But you have to apply it in the evening. Like when you apply in the morning after bath, you'll definitely have to refresh your armpits. So I'm really happy with this purchase, and this was my next one. Okay, so the next purchase that I have done is from Alps Goodness. It's the Alps Goodness Wild Turmeric Powder. So this is how it looks like. I have also shown in my previous haul videos that I had purchased the sandalwood powder, I believe, and an orange peel powder. So this time I wanted to try something else. In fact, this was on my wish list for such a long time. मैंने इतना सुना है इसके बारे में, कोई कस्तूरी हल्दी दे से. So I have been using that Upton and besan face pack over the years, and I used to always use that turmeric जो हम लोग खाने में यूज़ करते हैं. But lately whenever I see videos, people have been saying that you need to use this wild turmeric, which is called the kasturi haldi. So you get the haldi, the fresh haldi, and they make this powder from that. So instead of going to my market and looking out for it, I got this at a really good discount. Now the price of this is 99. I believe I got it for 69 rupees from purple.com, from their app. I always shop from there. And you get how much? You get 50 grams of product, which is quite a lot. अभी summers आ चुके हैं, and I really am looking forward to trying out different face packs, which I am going to share here on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram reels as well. If you are not following me there, then definitely follow me, guys. I'll mention the link on the screen and in the description box. So I'm really excited about this product, and I'm really looking forward to try it. Okay friends, so moving forward, I'm just going to show you 2 pairs of earrings that I have recently purchased, and I will show makeup towards the end of the video. So both these earrings I purchased from the local market, and I paid I think 30 rupees or something for this one. So I'll just show you the earring in a minute. So this is the first earring that I purchased. Isn't that beautiful? So I do not own any of these kind of earrings. Can you see that? I think it really looks nice, and you can wear this on a western or an Indian outfit. So I was not sure whether it will look good on me or not, but I have tried it and it looks nice. I mean, 30 रुपए में आप क्या expect कर सकते हो, right? I think the pattern is really nice, and it's something different and something that I have not tried, so I picked that one up. The next earring that I purchased is like kind of an oxidized golden kind of earring, and it's in the shape of a leaf. Now I have a lot of leaf earrings, but this one is a bit different, and I like how it looks on my ears. I have tried it out before I could show you in this video, so I will probably do a reel or something, or a YouTube short where I will show it. So can you see that? It's so pretty, isn't it? It will really look nice, especially on western outfits. You can also wear it with a t-shirt or a top. I think for 30 rupees it's not bad at all. So the market which I go to is my local market. I'm sorry I cannot share the location, but yes, we get everything out here. Even 10 rupees ka earring milta hai. I have purchased 2 or 3 of them. They are the long ones, and I will show it in a future video as well, like in a reel or probably in my next haul video. Also, this earring was of 10 rupees. I have showed it in my previous haul video. I think they are really cute. I mean, what can you get for 10 rupees, right? So I'm really happy with these earrings that I have purchased, and I have a lot more to show you guys, which I'll show you in my next haul video and in the future. For now, I just got these 2 pair of earrings. Okay friends, so let's move on to the makeup now, and I do have a couple of items. The first few things that I'm going to show you guys have been gifted to me. So my sister-in-law and my brother, they live in Dubai, and this time when they came around, I wanted to try, you know, blushes or something like that. So I told her to get me a blush and a white kajal. So she got me 2 blushes and a kajal, which I'm going to show you right now. So the brand that she got me is this one called Just Gold, and it says Just Gold Unique Single Blusher. So this is how the box looks like. So it comes with the blush inside, and it also comes with this tiny brush, which I do not find very practical to use, but it definitely can work if you have nothing. So the packaging is nice and very simple. The ingredients are mentioned behind, and this is how it looks like. So she got me 2 shades. The first shade is called 04. Yes, that's called just 04. There is no name as such. So I'll just show it to you in a bit. So this is how the first shade looks like. Now today I am filming with a different camera. I'm using my mother's phone, so the color is looking a bit different, but I'll just show you closely. This is how it looks like. So it is like a peachy pinky kind of color, like very coralish, I would say. And you know what is the best part about this blush? That it is totally matte, so there is no shimmer in this. And the second one that she got is shade number 02. Can you see that? I'm wearing it today, and it looks really cute on me. I'm really happy that it's a matte blush, because I do not own matte blushes. So let me show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Can you see that? It's a beautiful blue based pink color, like a baby pink kind of color, and this is what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. So they smell like talcum powder, I would say. That's okay, and these are really affordable blushes. So I do not know like what kind of makeup is really, you know, inexpensive in Dubai, but I guess this one is. It may be around 10 dirhams, so which is approximately like what I would say around 175 180 rupees. So if you're going to Dubai, if you're from Dubai, you can definitely try out this brand. I think it's really nice for the price. The next thing I want to show you guys, which she again gifted me, is this white kajal. Now she had got me one from Just Gold, but somehow she left it. I do not know what happened. So she got me this from the local market, and this is from the brand Flicka. So I am aware of this brand Flicka Cosmetics. They are based in Bombay, and if I look at the packaging, what is written behind, it said manufactured by Viva Cosmetics, which is a very standard company which manufactures all the makeup products in Bombay especially. So I'm just going to show you how the kajal looks like in a bit. Okay, so this is how the kajal looks like, and it is a retractable pencil. So it's stark white, and I do not own a stark white kajal pencil, so I have used it once, but I will give my opinion once I try it a couple of times. I'm definitely going to review this on my YouTube channel. Please stay tuned for that. Now the price of this is 249. I feel it is a little bit expensive. Like a Wet n Wild pencil will be less than 200. Now strangely, Wet n Wild was 135, and they have just jumped that price to 195. But still, whenever there is discount, you can get that pencil. तो ये प्राइस मुझे थोड़ा स्टीप लगा. तो ये 249 का है. 0.25 ग्राम प्रोडक्ट मिलता है, and this is how it looks like. So I'm really happy that she got me this, and I'm really thankful. So yeah, these were the first few products that I wanted to show you guys, and they were gifted to me. Let's move on to the next product. Okay friends, so I do have a nail polish to show you guys. In fact, I bought 2 of these and I cannot find one of them, so I will show you in my next haul video. So it so happened that once I got up, on one of the days I got up in the morning and I opened the Purple app, and it was on a whooping discount. So the price of this nail paint is 95, and I got it for just 15 rupees. Till today I cannot believe it, and the product is fine. There's nothing wrong with it. ऐसा नहीं है कि पुराना था और बस बेचना था तो डिस्काउंट दे दिया. So I'm lucky that I got that offer. So I immediately grabbed 2 nail paints. One of them I'll show you in another video. For now I have this one. It says Blue Heaven Hyper Gel Nail Paint. So this is how it looks like, and I'm really happy with this color. The shade number is 702 Ray of Gold, and I just randomly tried it on my nails. Can you see that? So I'll be doing like a shorts or a dedicated reel or something like that, and I will show you how it looks on my nails. Like, it's so beautiful. Now it says Blue Heaven Hyper Gel, so I believe it's like a gel kind of formula. It also looks metallic, which is my favorite finish in nail polishes. So I'm really happy with it, and this is how it looks like, if you can see that. And I'm definitely going to try this in the coming days. So I'm so happy I got it for 15 bucks. So yeah, this was the nail paint that I got. Last but not the least, I have 2 lipsticks to show you guys. Like, this video would be incomplete without lipstick, right? And today what I'm wearing on my lips is the Blue Heaven Walk Free Matte Lipstick. So I got 2 shades. If you have watched my previous haul video, I did show you one out there. Now the strange thing that has happened is these were like recently launched, and now I see that Blue Heaven is revamping all their products, also their website. So they have revamped it and made it 100 rupees. This was 85, and the shade names and colors are very similar. So if I get my hands on those, I'll definitely show on my YouTube channel or mention it. For now I got these 2 shades plus one shade which I've shown in my previous video. That was a plummy pink kind of shade. Very beautiful, very stunning. So the lipstick that I'm wearing right now is called 303 Heartbeat, and this is how it looks like. So it's not that orangey, but today it's looking way too orangey on camera. Like, it has a hint of red as well. But today I'm filming with a different phone, so perhaps it looks kind of different and neon-y. But it is quite a bright kind of orange, and can you see it's making my teeth look really white. The next one is again a red lipstick, and it is 311, and it's called Ruby Red. So this is again looking orangey, but this is like a pink tone red, I would say. So I'll just do a quick hand swatch to check that. Yes, it's a pink based red. So since this video quality is really warm, it's making me look like orangey in terms of the lipstick and everything. But yeah, this is how it looks like. So I'll be making a separate video on these, like my review and swatches. So please stay tuned for that. For now I can tell you these lipsticks are really amazing and totally paisa vasool. They have had lot of offers on Purple, so I got this one buy one get one free, and one of the lipsticks I got for like literally 50 or 55 rupees. So what a great bargain you're getting like 4 grams of product, plus you're getting lovely shades, like everybody would like those kind of shades. Like there is a brown, there is a nude, there is a pink, there are red. So I totally like these lipsticks, but I'm very disappointed. Like I literally got them and now they're saying they're changing the packaging. Nonetheless, I will be reviewing this on my channel, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Alright friends, so that brings me to the end of this video. Those were all the products I wanted to show you guys in this video, and I'm really looking forward to trying these. So I do not buy a lot of makeup products, like I have always mentioned in my previous videos, and I don't get PR as such. So whatever I show you guys is what everything has been bought of my own money. If I get any PR in future, I will definitely show you guys. For now, these were all the products I got. I have many more products coming in a future haul, which will be not probably this month, probably in May, because I do not like making too much haul videos. It does not make sense to me. So yeah, this is it. These are all the products I want to show you guys. So let me know in the comment section which product you like the most. Is there something that you would like me to try out, or any video idea suggestions? Please leave it in the comment section below. I will try to mention the name of the products and the links from where you can buy it in the description box. Do check it out. So for now, this is it. I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.